Hello everybody, today we will be learning how to solve linear equations with variables on both sides. So we got this problem here, which I pulled up on IXL, and today we're going to be solving it. So there is the variable g on both sides of the equation, and we have to balance it out to make sure that we can solve it. So to balance the equation out, you have to add the inverse property of the variable to an and constant to balance out the equation. So for example, we got 8g right here. We have to balance it out. So we'll have to subtract it from both sides. So we're gonna subtract 8g on this side because we want to remove the variable from one direction. And we're gonna subtract 8g from the other side too. And this will lead there to be 0 on one side and 2g on the other side. Now we can't forget about the constant 2, so we have to get that also. So we're going to add that 2. And now we have 2 plus 0 equals 2g. What we're going to do is we're going to divide the 2 on each side because we have to get rid of the 2g because we need the g to be separate and only alone, like so that we will know what g equals to. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide 2 on both sides. Okay? And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So g equals 1. That's how we just have to isolate the variable to make sure that we get it. Okay, here's our next question. 4j plus 8 equals minus 8 plus 2j. We have to solve for j. So before I start, make sure to pause the video so that you can solve the question first using the example from the last question. This question is pretty similar, just a little bit more complex. Okay, let's start. So there's two constants, plus 8 and minus 8. And there's the two variable ones, which is plus 2j and 4j. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the question and then solve. 4j plus 8 equals minus 8 plus 2j. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we have to balance out the equation. And we're going to do it by minusing the 2j on one side and minusing it on the other side too. We need to isolate the variable j, so we're going to remove the variable j from the right side. And because we minus 2j, that's why we have to minus 2j on the left side too, right and left. So now we're going to have 2j plus 8 equals minus 8. And when we deal with two-sided equations with two variables, then with the same variable two times, we have to undo the operation. We have to use the opposite operation to undo the operation. So when we have plus 8 on one side, we have to minus 8, so we can minus 8. So we're gonna minus 8 on both sides to get rid of the 8, and that will become minus 16. And that will equal 2j equals minus 16. And we just have to finally, we're just going to divide the 2 out of it. So can we have plain j? And the answer, and j equals minus 8. So that's how you solve these type of questions. And make sure to always write j equals to get the correct answer.